Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the SimpliSafe home security system. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this home security system is worth it. SimpliSafe Home Security System Overview. SimpliSafe is a DIY-friendly smart home security system, and it protects your home from intruders and environmental hazards using simple and intuitive gear that integrates with Google Home and Alexa. What gives it an edge is that you aren't locked into multi-year contracts with the company, freeing you to use the equipment as you see fit. What we liked: multiple customization options, DIY-friendly installation, affordable equipment. What we didn't like: underwhelming camera, incompatible with Apple HomeKit. Features: base station with long battery life. The base station is the brains of the home security system. SimpliSafe chose a minimalist design for theirs, and its tower-like design places it at 8 inches tall with a 4-inch base. It has a soft blue glow that assures you that it's on. Moreover, it has a backup battery that lasts 24 hours for extra protection during blackouts. Finally, the home base packs a 95 decibel alarm to ward off intruders. Long-range wireless sensors. SimpliSafe provides a host of long-range wireless sensors to cover your home. You can choose from the following options: entry sensor for your doors and windows, hazard sensors for floods and fires, panic button that alarms the SimpliSafe monitoring center, glass break sensor to detect smashed windows and sound the alarm, an extra siren to supplement the home base's 95 decibel siren, motion sensors that distinguish humans from pets, perfect for your hallway. In case of a break-in, they'll alert SimpliSafe's agents who will dispatch the police. Indoor and outdoor cameras. In addition to the base and sensors, you get indoor and outdoor cameras. The outdoor camera records HDR images, so you see what's happening day and night. The wireless indoor cameras allow SimpliSafe to see and speak to intruders should you be out of town. The indoor cameras have a shutter, and all videos are encrypted for privacy. Who is the SimpliSafe home security system best suited for? The SimpliSafe home security system is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want to bolster their home security without breaking the bank. Verdict: should you get the SimpliSafe home security system? Although you get a lower resolution indoor camera and lack direct Apple Home integration, SimpliSafe is an excellent home security system. It makes up for this with an all-around app, easy installation, and rapid response from the monitoring center. You should get the SimpliSafe home security system. It's worth every penny. Thanks for watching.